Hi everyone, it's Dr. Elizabeth. Welcome. I'm so glad you're here. What if there was something I could give you that gave you incredible energy, vibrant health, increased stamina and strength, and made you feel alive? Well, that's exactly what I'm sharing with you today. So if you want to look, feel, and be your very best for summer, give this Breakfast of Champions a try. All right, what are we waiting for? Let's get started.
Hey, hello my beloveds, how are you? Welcome back. I'm so glad to be here with you, and I'm so glad you're here with me. So today I'm really excited. I'm going to show you step by step not only how I make my powerhouse Super Foods Smoothie, but I'm going to show you why. And I'm going to show you why it is the most potent and powerful thing you can have for breakfast every morning. If you want to have the most amount of energy, if you want to be in the body that is your ideal size, shape, and form, if you want to release weight, if you want to get bikini ready for the summer, this, my friends, is your new best friend. Trust me. You're going to love it. It tastes delicious, and it gives you an immense, incredible amount of energy. Okay, let's back it up for just a second, because you guys know I have to acknowledge you for your beautiful, beautiful messages. You guys seriously just touch my heart. I'll just never grow tired of telling you how much I love you, how much I appreciate you, and how much your beautiful messages mean to me, and to be here as part of this community. So thank you for your wonderful messages. I heard you. I have a whole list of videos that you guys have suggested that are coming up, so I promise you we're going to get to all of them. But for today, I want to invite you to think in terms of nutrients instead of calories, quality instead of quantity. If you can get those two really powerful distinctions, it's going to change everything about the way you nourish your body, about the way your body looks, and about the way your body feels, and about the way your body heals. So that's what this is all about. So now, my beloveds, let's go ahead and get started with my supersized Superfoods Powerhouse Green Smoothie. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to put seeds. The reason being, these 4 seeds that you see right here, they are loaded with nutrition. Do not let their little size fool you. These are tiny, tiny, tiny little seeds. Inside these tiny little seeds are a whole world of nutrition. Hemp seeds are an incredible source of omega fatty acids, which are phenomenal for your skin and your hair. They are also a greater source of protein than animal protein or any high protein out there, and also vitamin E, which is why we are dumping those bad boys in there right now. Next, flaxseed. Flax seeds help balance your hormones, are a great source of antioxidants, and also are a phenomenal source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are, again, like I said, great for your hair, great for your skin, great for your body. We're going to put those right in there as well. Sunflower seeds balance your thyroid function, help lower the risk of heart disease, and also are phenomenal for your skin. Are you guys getting a theme here? These beautiful seeds right here are incredible, not only for your body, but for your skin, which, remember, is the largest organ of our body, and also is one of the most powerful ways we can stay looking young. If we keep our skin looking young, we in turn, because it covers our entire body. Healthy, glowing look skin, healthy, youthful body, and a healthy looking person. Remember that, guys. And last but not least, the tiniest of all the seeds I'm using today are chia seeds, which provide iron, calcium, and fiber, and also promote heart health. And here's the thing, there's a host of other benefits. We would be here all day if I was listing every single benefit of every one of these ingredients in the Superfood Smoothie. So the first thing I like to do is take my seeds and blend them up into a powder in my high-speed blender. Literally, I pummeled these seeds into a powder, which is so much easier for our body to assimilate and digest. Perfect. Okay, now Next, what we're gonna do is we're gonna take superfood greens. This, my friends, is loaded with vitamins, loaded with minerals, loaded with nutrients. And let's go ahead. I usually just do like a teaspoon of this. Perfect. Now, I do use protein powder. I haven't found, I know a lot of you ask me, Dr. Elizabeth, what protein powder do you use? I use one of the top brands, but to be honest with you, there's two top brands. I'm not a fan really of either of them. They're better than the other protein powders out there, but actually I have not landed on a protein powder that I love and that I really feel comfortable in recommending. I'm thinking of developing something myself because I'm so disillusioned with what's out there. If any of you know of a really, really amazing, nutritious protein powder, it has to be raw, it has to be vegan, and it has to pass all those tests. I know there's been a lot of controversy with some of the raw vegan protein powders out there. I mean, trust me, they're way better than the whey proteins. They're way better even than the plain vegan proteins. Raw vegan is so much better, but I think there's still a vast amount of improvement that can be done in making these. So if anybody knows of a really, really phenomenal brand, message me and let me know. I'm willing to try it. Cool. Now we're going to add Spirulina. You guys probably wonder, why is she always using this green stuff in a bag? I shop at a local health food store. It's a great little health food store here, right here in LA. And they have bulk Spirulina, bulk chlorella, and bulk maca, as well as a lot of other bulk items. They're much more reasonably priced, so that's why they happen to come in a baggie like that. In case you're wondering, what's in that baggie, Dr. Elizabeth? Now you know, and now you know why. All right, let's go ahead and we're gonna do our chlorella now. I do 1 teaspoon of that. Start slow because with the Spirulina and the chlorella, because it is potent. So, benefits of chlorella. Promotes heart health, is great for balancing your hormones. A lot of you ask me about that, chlorella. And also is an incredible source of protein. So next time someone says, oh, you're vegan or raw vegan, where do you get your protein? Chlorella. Chlorella, bam. They'll be like, what? Come on, okay? All right, maca. Maca is incredible for sexual libido. Let me say that one more time. Ladies, gentlemen. It also improves memory, improves energy, and also is a mood lifter. I mean, what else do you want from a little powder like that? This little baby's working overtime to give us some really beautiful nutrition. Okay, now, and I've just touched on a couple of the things that all these things do. Actually, there's a lot more. So now let's go ahead and we're going to put in our beautiful kale. So let me I have all the kale peeled off here. We're just gonna pop that in there. I like to stuff it till it's full, but I just wanna show you, it's so easy. You just pick it off the stem. And then what I do is I save the stem. Ooh, as you guys can tell, I washed it. This is water everywhere. So you just pick it off the stem. Then what I do is I save the stems and I use them for my green juices. Okay, there, we have that packed full. Wow, that little baby is stuffed. Okay, now we're going to add the water. I add between 1.5 to 2 cups of water, depending upon how much kale is in there and depending upon how much fruit I want to put in and depending upon how thick I want it. So you're going to play around. It'll be between about 1.5 to 2 cups. You guys will play around with it. So I'm going to start slowly here and just put about half of it in. We're going to mix this up in the blender. All right. I want to share with you, this not only is a great source of nutrients, vitamins, and minerals, it's a great source of fiber. Let me tell you, this little baby will get you going in the morning. If you know what I mean. And every way, really get you going in the morning. It gets everything moving. Trust me, you have one of these every day, you will always be very, very regular. I promise you. Okay, let's go ahead and blend this up. Perfect timing. Okay. Now, I always like to do a little dance while I'm waiting for my smoothie to blend up. All right, perfect. Now, next we're going to add our frozen fruit. Bananas. Bananas truly are the secret ingredient to smoothies. And I'll tell you why. No other fruit masks the taste of the bitterness of the greens better than bananas. So no matter what other fruits I decide to put in, I'm always putting bananas in because it always makes it taste delicious. Plus, they are a great source of calcium, magnesium, iron, so many vitamins and minerals. They're amazing. Potassium, that's what, bananas are known for, potassium. Great source of all those vitamins and minerals. Next, blueberries, wild organic blueberries. Blueberries are an amazing source of vitamins and minerals, and they promote heart health, among an array of other incredible benefits. They are really, really good for you. So pop those blueberries in, and they taste delicious. Okay, next we're going to add, I have an assortment of fruits here. I have strawberries, I have mangoes, I have pineapple, and I think probably there's some peaches and grapes in here. So good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop those in as well. Okay, let's go ahead and let's mix this little beautiful creation together. I cannot wait to drink this. Okay, let's go. Oh my God. Okay, this one is sheer perfection. They're always a little bit different. I got it perfect, which is really exciting considering I'm sharing it with you guys. So if I'm gonna hit it out of the ballpark, right now is the moment when I would want to do that. So I'm so excited that I got it perfectly for you guys. Okay, now, I like mine nice and thick like this. You guys may not. You guys might like it thin. You guys might not like it that frozen. Oh my God. Seriously, this tastes like a sorbet. This is so amazing. Okay, let me go ahead and get a couple glasses. I'm just gonna eat it out of here the whole way. So delicious. Okay, now let's go ahead and we are going to pour this into our glasses. Perfect. Okay. Wow. Beautiful. Now, all right, you guys, I think that's it for today. Let's go ahead and just give this a little taste test. Oh my God, this is so good. I can't wait. Wow. I can't wait for you guys to try this. This is so delicious, super nutritious. Now you know not only what to make in the morning, but why to make it. Okay, now, quickly, before we leave, I have to do a little love map update. There. Okay, now, I updated everyone who told me how to say I love you in their language. So take a peek, really take a minute, freeze frame the video, search out and see if how to say I love you in your language is there. If it's not, message me and let me know and I'll add it. And, okay, this is the last thing I'll say before we end the video. So this is my idea. I'm so excited about this. I really hope I can pull this off. On my website, I put a live interactive love map. Do you guys love that? So all you have to do is go to my website. I'm getting excited just thinking about it. I really hope I can pull this off because it would be such a cool thing. Go to my website and you can put in where you're from, and literally it's live interactive. You put that there, you push the button, you enter it. You can put your name in as well, but you don't have to. You put down the city you're from and literally you push the button and it shows up. Isn't that so cool? Now we see a live interactive, ever-growing love map where we can literally watch it grow, watch the community grow, watch where everybody's from, and everybody can go there and let me know. I love this idea so much. I think it'd be amazing. I know a lot of you are very techie, so if you guys have ideas, message me and let me know, because I promise you I will put it into place, because I really want to do this live interactive love map. Or I know a lot of you have told me that you have boyfriends and girlfriends who are really techie. So if you know how to pull this off, message me below and let me know, okay? So then what I thought we would do is below that, on that same page where the love map is, we'll have a place where everybody can add in how to say I love you in their language. So it'll be the love map with the backside, everybody saying I love you, but it won't just be me writing it in there. You literally can do it yourself, and it shows up right then and there. You push the button and it shows up. So that would just be amazing. So that's my vision. I'm working on it. So let's just see. I'm going to see if I can pull it off, okay? So until next week, you guys know I love you. I love you to infinity and back. I appreciate you. Have a beautiful week. And happy skinny dipping in the fountain of youth. Ciao.